Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So today I am going to teach you how to search articles for your thesis and research by using Google Scholar. So Google Scholar is a separate search engine designed for research purposes. First of all, open Google Chrome and type Google Scholar. Google Scholar and click on this first link. It will open a separate search engine called Google Scholar. It works just like Google Chrome. So if you type any word related to your topic, it will provide you certain articles or literature from which you can extract content. For example, you are searching on effect of eating habits on obesity and role of fast food. So and you want content relating to eating habits. So just type eating habit and you will get articles related to eating habits or content relating to eating habits. And if you come to the articles itself, you can see that. So if you click on any of these links like this, it will open the entire published article from which you can extract content. And if we go back, uh, we can we can see that this article is cited by 196 people. The more the citation, the better the article is. The first article is about childhood obesity. So if I click on this related article, Google Scholar will provide me articles related to childhood obesity, and it will narrow down your research. When I clicked on that related article, only 78 results have popped up. When I put a keyword in Google Scholar, it provided me about 2 million results. So clicking on related articles will narrow down your research and will provide you content specifically related to your topic. So this was just a rough explanation. There are certain ways with which we can efficiently use Google Scholar for our research purposes. So we are going to discuss two main methods to research articles or content on Google Scholar, which is keyword search and Boolean operators. Keyword search, like I have demonstrated you, are those specific words on which your research is based. For example, effect of eating habits on obesity and role of fast food. So this is your topic, effect of eating habits on obesity and role of fast food. So in this topic, the keywords will be eating habits, fast food, and obesity. So typing any of these keywords will give you results as per your research requirement. Like, for example, you have to collect literature on eating habit or fast food. So you will just type the keyword fast food and you will get articles related to your keyword from which you can extract content. So this is called keyword search. So now Boolean operators. Boolean operators are simple words used as conjunctions to combine or exclude keywords in a research. This gives you more focused results as per your requirement, and it also saves times and effort by removing unnecessary articles. So what are these three simple words? These are and, or not. By using and, or not in your keywords, you can get more specified results. For example, and. How to use and as a boolean operators in your keyword search. And provide results containing both of the keywords. For example, your keywords are obesity, obesity and eating habits. We will get results which will contain both of our keywords, like this obesity and this eating habit. So we got the articles which have both of our keywords. It will eventually narrow down your research and it will give you more content in less number of articles. So another Boolean operator is not. So by using not as a Boolean operators between obesity and eating habits, Google Scholar will provide results which will focus on eating habits. Similarly, if we inverse this, not obesity not eating habits, Google Scholar will provide results which will focus on obesity rather than eating habits. So the first keyword will be focused when you use not as a Boolean operators. So if we search it, we will get articles which will have obesity as their main focus. So this is how you use not as a Boolean operators. It will eventually narrow down your research and will provide you less articles with more content. And the third Boolean operator is now how to use or as a Boolean operators. So or provide results that contain either keywords. So if you type two keywords and and use or as a Boolean operators between them, like for example obesity or um, eating habits. So by using or as a Boolean operators, Google Scholar will provide you articles or content either related to obesity or eating habits. So this is how you use or as a Boolean operators. And another additional Boolean operators that you can use is quotation. That you have is quotation marks. Quotation mark as a Boolean operators provide results with exact same phrase. For example, so we will get result which will have eating habit as an exact phrase in that article. I have used eating habit as an example, but you can type anything relating to your topic. Just use this inverted commas and between it type any phrase which has a specific meaning in your thesis. So Google Scholar will mainly provide those articles which will have that specific phrase. So this is how you use quotation mark as your Boolean operators. So this is it. So this is how you use the Boolean operators and keyword to search articles search article for your research and thesis purposes. I hope you understand and I will see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.